So hello guys, in this video we are going to solve this problem. So in this problem it is given that we have this series like 1 plus 2 times 1 plus 1 by 50 plus 3 times 1 plus 1 by 50 whole square up to 50 terms. So we have to find the sum of this series. So let's see how we can solve this. So let's assume n is equal to 50 because we have 50 terms, and s be the sum of the n terms where n is 50 we are initially assuming. So let's s be the sum of the n terms, and we are also assuming x to be 1 plus 1 by n. So if you put n is equal to 50, then it will become like x is equal to 1 plus 1 by 50, and here we are doing sum of 50 terms. So for doing sum of 50 terms, you can put n is equal to 50 and x to be 1 plus 1 by 50. So then this expression you can write like 1 plus, instead of this you can write x, instead of this you can write x square, and up to 50. So 50 is equal to n, so we can write n times x power n minus 1. We can easily write this. So we can also write this expression in this form, and s be the sum we are assuming, so we can write s is equal to 1 plus 2x plus 3x square plus 4x cube up to n times x power n minus 1, and we have to find the sum of this series. So this is our s. So let's say this is our equation 1, and what we are doing next, we are multiplying by x both sides, then it will become like x times s, and right hand side will become like x plus 2x square up to n times x power n. So this is our equation 2. So now if you do 1 minus 2, then it will become like s minus x times s, and here this is 1. 2x minus x will become x, 3x square minus 2x square will become x square. Similarly, here it is 3x cube, and here it is 4x cube. So 4x cube minus 3x cube is here become x cube. So this will happen up to x power n minus 1, and in the last there is this term remaining minus x minus n times x power n. Now if you combine 1 with this, then it will become like 1 plus x square up to x power n minus 1. And here after taking s common, it will become like s times 1 minus x, and this is minus n times x power n. So now you know the sum of this. This is simply a geometric progression whose sum is x power n minus 1 divided by x minus 1. So summation is this, and here minus n times x power n. Now uh, what you can do, like you know x is 1 plus 1 by n. So what is the value of 1 minus x? It is minus 1 by n. So instead of 1 minus x, you can put minus 1 by n. So 1 divided by minus 1 by n, it will become minus n. Here 1 minus x also, so here also minus 1 by n, and here it will become like 1, and instead of x I am putting 1 plus 1 by n power, there is n, so I also do here power n, and minus n times x power n, so x is 1 plus 1 by n power n. So in this way we can write this. So now if you simplify this, then it will become like s minus 1 by n is equal to minus n plus 1 plus 1 by n power n multiply by n, and minus n times 1 plus 1 by n power n. So this term and this term will cancel, and it is simply like you can see that s times minus 1 by n is equal to simply is equal to minus n. Here you can see that s times minus 1 by n is simply minus n. Then here you can see that s is equal to n square, and n we assume initially 50, so the sum will be 50 square, which is 2500. So in this way we can solve this. So the final sum of this series is 2500, 2500. So in this way you can solve.